Alright, welcome to the last video in this series. So this video is going to be about a couple of ninja techniques and advanced strategies that you can use to keep your fans engaged and to bring more fans in and to promote your products and services. So one thing that you can do that works very, very well is something called a fan or reveal gate. Okay, and we have done another video about how to install this. So we'll just touch on it briefly here. It's excellent, okay, for turning visitors into likes. So basically, what somebody sees when they come to your page, if they have not already liked it, is an image that is telling them to go ahead and like the page to gain access or entry. Now, you can't block somebody from gaining access with the fan gate or reveal gate. They can go ahead and click on your wall and kind of snoop around, but most people, they don't really know that they're able to do that. So they see this image and it says click like, and they just kind of figure, I have to click like to gain access to the page, and so they go ahead and like the page. So this is a very good way to get visitors, to turn regular visitors into likers. Okay, to install a fan gate, we have a whole video on this. So just search for static HTML, iframe tabs, and then watch the other video that comes with it. It's very straightforward. You just need to host the picture that you choose for your fan or reveal gate. You need to host it online somewhere. And then inside of the iframe tabs top box, which you'll see once you install it, you just enter the code here for the image source and click save, and that's pretty much it. Okay, here's a couple examples of fan gates, reveal gates. So the first one on the left it says click like and be prepared to be amazed. So it's kind of a blackout on the top, and you can kind of see what's inside of the page, right? So it kind of entices you to click the like, and then to open up whatever you kind of see behind the shield, so to speak. And the second one says click like to join our bartending family and get a free printable bartender cheat sheet. So this is enticing people to click like because they can get something that is very valuable to people interested in bartending, which is a bartender cheat sheet. Okay, some advanced strategies. These are the pictures or the thumbnails of the pictures at the top of your wall. Okay, this is often called the photo strip. And again, we have another video about the photo strip and about how to set up the photos properly. But this allows you to maintain the photo strip with whatever pictures that you want. And when somebody clicks on these pictures or these thumbnails, it opens up into a larger full-scale image, and then you can have the URL. So this is not clickable in and of itself, but as soon as somebody clicks on it, then it opens up the picture, and then from the picture, in the box, in the comment box, you can put the URL to whatever product or service that you're marketing here. You want to upload videos directly to Facebook. So once you do that, there are many apps that you can choose that, like YouTube apps that allow you to kind of import your YouTube channel. But if you upload those videos directly to the Facebook videos tab or section, then somebody, when they're finished watching that video, there's an automatic share button that comes up. So it helps to take that video viral. So if it's a good video, funny video, entertaining, educational, then people will start to share the video. Once they click on that share button, then they can share it in a variety of different ways, from posting it on somebody's wall to emailing it to a friend. Okay, so you want to upload videos directly to Facebook. And an app that you really want to get installed on your page, if you have a blog, is something called networked blogs. So basically what this application does is it imports your blog directly onto your Facebook page. So every time that you update your post or a page on your website, it will automatically be updated on your Facebook fan page. Okay, Facebook doesn't reward automation, so there's a lot of tools, and we mentioned one in the video series called Hootsuite that you can automate your posts. So there's been some mention that Facebook doesn't really like or reward the automated posts. They would rather that you come in and post directly. I don't know how they can figure out if something is automated like that, or where it comes from, or whether it's actually true that they downplay the automated ones. But you have to weigh out the pros and cons. If you live in a different time zone, for example, then using a scheduler in a third-party application for automation might be the only way that you're able to actually post on your Facebook page when your fans and your followers are actually up and awake or using Facebook at that time. We have a video about this as well, about posting a link. After you post a link, you're able to remove the link. So you first just copy and paste a link into the status bar, and then once Facebook has populated it with an image, a title, and a description, which are all editable. You can edit by clicking into the title. You can edit by clicking into the description to make it more appealing if you wish. Then once it's populated, just go ahead and delete the link from the status bar, and it looks a lot cleaner, and it's just more enticing because it's just your message that's standing out and not a very long, confusing link. Okay, continuing on with some advanced strategies. An opt-in form. So if you use Aweber, we've shown you a video of how you can integrate an Aweber form. If not, you can again use the static HTML for iframes tabs, the same one that you use for putting a reveal or fan gate on your page. Use the same one. You would just basically download or upload a different one, a second one. And you'll see that if you typed in HTML, static HTML, you'll see second tab and third tab, the same gray star. And then get the second one, and then you would just go through the same system exactly as you would input the image, the HTML code for your image source that we showed you on the previous slide. You would do the same thing for the code from your autoresponder service. So maybe you deal with iContact or GetResponse rather than Aweber, and you just take the code from there and then input it into your static HTML iframes tab. Insights is something that Facebook Facebook has been using since I believe July or June of last year, and now they have a new system of insights, and it provides a lot of information about metrics, about your posts, and who's watching your post, who's paying attention to your post, interacting with your posts, and which ones are popular. So you want to use the insights, okay? And here's one aspect of what the insights looks like. Okay, it tells you total likes and friends of fans. So how many people are fans of yours, and then how many people are fans of friends of those fans. Okay, how many people talk about it. So there's a whole bunch of different metrics that you can use to find out what's working and what's not on your page. Okay, and you want to pay attention to this and obviously increase what works and then kind of decrease what doesn't work. Okay, a little ninja technique here. Hiya! You want to create a fan page for a product that you might have. So you're already building your fan page for your brand or your service, and let's say that you have an ebook. Okay, so what you want to do here is that you would create a new page, and you can create unlimited pages. Okay, you create a new page for your ebook. Okay, and you build an entire page about your ebook. In the info section, you fill out all the different information about the ebook. You can put in the about section, you put a clickable URL that would go directly to the sales page, or if you have an autoresponder service that is pre-selling the ebook, then you could take the people there. So you create this page, and then once you've created the page, you acting as the page. Okay, so I have a sleep site. I wrote a sleep ebook. Okay, acting as my site. Sorry, acting as my page. Instantly fall asleep. I go and search for and find the new page I've created. So my sleep ebook page, and then I like that page, and then I can feature it in the bottom left-hand side of my sleep page. So when people come to my sleep page, they will see an image of an ebook, on the bottom left-hand side, when they click over, it will click to a new page, and that page I can set it up so that it lands on the information tab and just gives information about that ebook. Okay. This is an example on the right-hand side here. Those are all products. Let's Get Social, Mobile Local Fusion. These are products that Ryan Dice has on his page. Okay, and if you click over, it's a page entirely dedicated to the product Let's Get Social and the product Mobile Local Fusion, for example. And to feature those likes on your page, then you just go to edit your page, and then there's a section on the left-hand side that says featured, and then a little area that says edit featured likes, and then you can just kind of choose which of your likes are the ones that you're going to be featuring on the lower left-hand side of your page. Okay, and now to wrap things up here, you want to keep your efforts consistent. So we talked about this before. Every day that you post, if you've determined that once a day is your optimal posting time, then once a day at 9 a.m., for example, then you want to post every day at 9 a.m. And you can do this by scheduling with automated software like Hootsuite. And again, you can see the other video on how to set that up. And you try to do it at the same time and the same day, if at all possible. So you want to be consistent because people will come to want to rely on the fact that your post is coming. So let's say that maybe your posts are very entertaining or very funny. So every day when somebody gets up, they expect that your post is going to be there to greet them when they log on to Facebook. So don't disappoint your fans by missing days and breaking the schedule that you're trying to come up with. And you want to join in the conversation. So it's not just about starting conversations on Facebook on your page. If somebody else starts conversations, make sure that you jump in there and then you're joining the conversation as well as starting them. And if any customers give negative feedback, then listen to what they're saying, because it's likely something that is wrong or that can be improved upon about your brand or your product or your service. Okay, and make sure that you listen to them, because if you don't, they won't be coming back to your page. And then slowly but surely, you want to migrate these people into a sales funnel. You're not trying to sell on Facebook. You're trying to build build trust, and because people buy from people that they know, like, and trust, and you're trying to get to know your customers or your fans and get them to trust you, and then eventually they will buy, or they will be okay with moving off of Facebook and maybe into your autoresponder series or onto your website and purchasing some of your products. Okay, so that's it for this video for Facebook University and the Ninja techniques. I'll see you in the next video.